Okay, we are now starting week 3 of the fence build here at the property of the village. What a beautiful day it is today. Listen to the birds singing. Please, if you wouldn't mind, reach down there and mash that like and subscribe for our channel. We'd appreciate it. Just another beautiful day in Thailand. Gotta love it here. Hear the water running from the well, solar power well, adding to the pond. It's going to be very hard to get my update today on the fence. Way back there, it started raining at 1:30 this morning, but it was raining very hard. It was very stormy, thunder and lightning, and it rained heavy like that until probably about 5 a.m. So it's finally slowed down, but as you can see, there's pooling water everywhere, so it's going to be muddy to walk back to the back. So I'm not going to do it in the rain. If the rain quits, I'll be able to check it. Hopefully it's not going to affect them working in town. Getting a closer look at the solar well here. It does quite a bit of water. And I think these ponds are connected together with a pipe. I see there's different levels of the pipes, but right here in this corner, I saw one that connects to the other side. And I also see for the other pond over there the same. Okay, you can see yesterday's work. They put the steel in the tiebacks and poured cement on this bottom post here all the way down. It looks like they still have a couple of the tiebacks to put the steel in. But going back that way, it looks like they're all in. I don't see anything sitting out on the edge. Over here under the tree is the steel. I'm still not sure what that's going to be for. To be determined. And a couple of the extra racks to go in the tiebacks. What I need is somebody to film me going back up the hill here. It could make the funniest videos roll. I've had my spills already going back up that dirt hill. Clumsy twinkle toes. Okay, until tomorrow's update. See you later.
Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights, and I'm drowning in the noise like a free fall. Walking along my path for too long. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself.
to go to pour the cement in. So he started putting the wall panels in. Looking good. Talk about doing it the hard way. Can't bring the truck in there because of the rains. So now doing the buckets. Bucket brigade. This is the end of the updates for week 3. As you can see, they completed the concrete. Not an easy task because of the mud. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It helps our channel. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.